Here's how to enable picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to play a video, either YouTube Short or Netflix or something, and you want to be able to hop out here and have the mini player, you need to turn it on in two different places. The first place is on your iPhone itself. So let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. We need to turn it on globally across your entire iPhone, and then it will automatically be enabled for things like Netflix. But if you want to turn it on YouTube, we need to manually turn it on YouTube as well. So from here, we'll tap on General and then Picture-in-Picture. And you can see it says Start PIP automatically when you swipe or go home while using apps, etc. However, if you wanted to turn it on YouTube itself, unfortunately, we need to go into YouTube and enable it in that app as well. There are other apps like Netflix or FaceTime that just automatically work just by turning it on your settings. From here, we need to go to the settings for your YouTube account. So to do that, we're going to tap on You and then the gear icon. This will get you to your normal settings. Now, it used to be in the general settings at the very top, and of course they've moved it around. It's currently in the picture-in-picture part of the settings for playback. So let's scroll down to playback, and there is picture-in-picture. We can turn this on, and it says if you exit YouTube, video continues to play in the mini player, aka picture-in-picture.